Opposites attract even when it comes to food, and we've been celebrating the perfect pairing of salty and sweet all week long, asking our cooking contributors to share their go-to salty and sweet snacks. We talked over and tasted a chocolate cereal mix, a coconut salted caramel cookie, a nutty candy chocolate from Mrs. Kavanaugh herself, and yesterday things took a savory spin when Becky Lowe brought her wasabi-coated salmon dinner dish to our table. Well, Kristin Andrus is bringing it home for us today with a breakfast bacon like no other. So where does the sweet come in here?
Okay, this is so yummy. The sweet is maple syrup, brown sugar, and this is not only a breakfast bacon, this is like, people have called it an entree bacon.
Oh my gosh, may I?
It is, please.
Okay.
It is so delicious. Okay, so first tip, because it is sweet and it's salty,
Oh
and
my gosh.
for Friday I had to add spicy.
Oh my gosh, a little spice?
So you got a little spice.
I'm not even a bacon girl, and this is something to be a bacon girl over.
It's like you eat it and it's so good. Okay, so you start with thick cut bacon. That is key. See how you get like a little bit more chew in there rather than it kind of falling apart. So you want to get thick cut bacon. You're gonna put maple syrup all over it on all sides. Then you're gonna sprinkle brown sugar over it.
Okay.
And then the spice comes in with some cayenne pepper. And actually you can do a little bit. Like, have you tasted any of the spice?
I'm getting a little hit now and then.
A little bit though, right?
Not
So it's
bad.
just over the whole thing. You wanna do it on a rack over your cooking sheet. Okay, so you wanna have it in the oven at a high temperature. And then after, or even during, before you put it in, some cracked ground black pepper.
I'm loving this.
Isn't that good?
Yes, entree bacon, who knew?
I know.
Is your hubby the
It's
happiest
so
man in town when you bust
my
this
gosh.
out?
My kids, after I made it yesterday, and actually I made it yesterday.
Oh.
Totally lasted until today.
It's
I
delicious.
reheated it. They had it for an after school snack, and they are hoping that they get some tonight. But yeah, husband loves it. Put it on a BLT.
Yeah.
Or on a salad. You could put it on that salad we just
Now
did.
things are getting
Oh
good.
my gosh,
Now
it's
things
so
are getting good. All right,
Yeah.
we love it, and we love your dress, I have to say too.
Oh,
Everyone in the
thanks.
studio is raving over
Thank
Kristin and this pretty pink. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
The recipe for this bacon, this entree bacon, maple bacon, on our website, and again, we'll link you over to Kristin's Instagram from there as well.